For any other harassment which is not good in our life. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Harshit from class 7B. Today my topic is role of social media in our life. Social media plays an important role in our life. With the help of social media, we can communicate with others. It helps you read news, information about what are happening in